Hello there friends. Well, today I'm going to show you how to make your very own vanilla extract. It's only 2 ingredients, so simple to make, and you will never ever buy store-bought vanilla extract again. This is simply the easiest way. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification bell so that you know when I've got some new recipes out. So I'll meet you in the kitchen. Okay, are you ready to make your very own vanilla extract? As I'd mentioned earlier, there are only 2 ingredients, vanilla beans and vodka. I'm using Madagascar vanilla beans for this recipe and an 80 proof vodka. Place about 8 to 12 vanilla bean pods into a tall jar. Then pour the vodka into the jar, making sure that all the vanilla beans are covered with the vodka. Place the lid on the jar and write the date on the lid, very important. Let the ingredients rest in the bottle for a few months. Some folks leave it for about 3 months, however I prefer to let it rest for about 6 months for a great robust flavor. This is what the vanilla extract looks like after 6 months. Some folk that I know cut their vanilla bean pods, however I don't. I just stick them straight into the vodka and just leave them as is. Around about the 3-month mark, I then cut the beans and squeeze the vanilla seeds into the fluid for a more intense vanilla flavor. And that's it. A simple recipe to make your own vanilla extract. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and ring that notification bell. Happy cooking!